Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and enjoying your vacations. Okay, now it's time to our English work. Today we are going to learn something new and exciting. Are you ready? Okay, let's start. Okay, today we are going to learn use of the. The. Okay, the is a special word. We use the before the name of a person, place, thing, or when we talk about something in a special way. It's a specific word to describe a specific noun. So we have three articles in English: a and the. A is used when a word start from a consonant sound. A and an is used when a word start from a vowel sound. And the is used to describe a specific, any specific or special noun. Okay, when we talk about a specific person, we have example: the boy is my brother. Okay, here the is an article and here we are going to describe a boy as a brother. ठीक है, वो एक as a specific noun use हो रहा है, तो इसलिए हम उसके साथ क्या लिखेंगे? The. When we talk about a specific place, example is we visited the masjid. Oh, and when we talk about a specific thing, the apple is red. When we use it when there is only one, the sun gives us light. So always remember the is very special. It's a special word and we use it to describe any special noun, thing or place. Okay. Okay, now moving to next use of the. In the first picture, a man is sitting. So there is a specific person who is sitting. So we are going to write it the. The man is sitting. Is girl is what the girl is doing? The girl is standing. The girl is standing. Next is the girl is crying. Are you see? The girl is crying. Next is the boy is laughing. Boy is laughing. The boy is laughing. Next is the man is walking. And number 6 is the boy is running. So the is a special word that we use to describe any specific noun. Okay. I hope you understand this concept very well. So you have to practice this page, the concept of the on your folder. Okay, Allah Hafiz.